Today, we'll learn how insertion sort works. Insertion sort starts at the second element, which is 1. We compare it with the element to its left, which is 6. Since 1 is smaller than 6, we move 1 to the left of 6, 6. Now, our sorted portion contains both numbers in the correct order. I will show you this with an animation. There won't be any voiceover, just watch how the numbers move. As you can see, the array is now completely sorted. Insertion sort works by gradually building a sorted section from left to right, inserting each new element where it belongs. That's how insertion sort works. Thank you for watching.